everyone and welcome back to my channel. On today's video I'm gonna make eggplant and beef fatteh. It has a very yummy yogurt sauce on the top, along with toasted nuts and toasted pita bread. As usual, the written recipe will be found down below the video in the description box. Don't forget to follow me on social media and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and click on the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. Now here I have some eggplants. I cut them into cubes. I also sprinkled them with some salt, a drizzle of olive oil and some sumac. Now usually the eggplants are deep fried in this recipe, but instead of frying them, I'm gonna bake them in the oven. So what I'm doing here is to mix the eggplants very well with the olive oil and the spices. Then I'm gonna put them in my baking dish. Make sure that they are distributed evenly in the baking dish and not on top of each other. Now at this point, make sure that your oven is preheated at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. It's about 200 Celsius. And you want to bake them for about 20 to 25 minutes until they are golden brown with a very nice color, and of course cooked all the way through. Now I'm going to move to the beef mixture. I'm going to make some beef and tomato sauce. So I'm going to need some minced meat, some chopped tomatoes, chopped onions, some garlic, some tomato paste, some water. I also have salt, cinnamon, and some pomegranate molasses. So now in a pot on medium to high heat, I have some vegetable oil, and once the oil comes to the right temperature, I'm going to add the chopped onions. I'm going to saute them for a few minutes just until the onions cook down a little bit and also develop some color. Here I just added some salt to help me cook down the onions. After that, I'm going to add the beef. And using my wooden spoon, I'm going to break them into small pieces. Let them cook for a few minutes. At this point, I'm going to add some cinnamon and a pinch of salt. And when the beef is almost done, I'm going to add the rest of the ingredients. So I have here the chopped tomatoes, minced garlic, the tomato paste, and let everything cook together for a few minutes. And don't forget, you want to get rid of that tangy flavor in the tomato paste. Now I'm going to add some water. After that, I'm going to bring the mixture into a boil. Then I'm going to cover the pot and lower the heat and let it simmer for about 5 minutes until the sauce is reduced a little bit. Now at the end, I'm going to add a little bit of pomegranate molasses. Give it a nice stir. Let it boil for additional 2 minutes and the sauce is done. Now for the yogurt sauce, I'm going to need some yogurt, of course. I'm going to add to it a minced garlic. I'm also going to add some lemon juice, salt, and some tahini paste. They're all really simple ingredients. Now all I'm going to do is to mix everything together until I have a creamy mixture, just like so. As you can see here, my yogurt sauce is ready. Now I'm gonna toast some pita bread. I have them here cut into little squares. I'm just gonna drizzle them with some olive oil. Give everything a good mix. Now I'm gonna bake them in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. It's about 190 Celsius for about 10 minutes until they are golden brown and crunchy. Now finally, I'm gonna toast some almonds. So in a skillet on medium heat, I have a tiny bit of vegetable oil. I added the almonds and I'm gonna give them a good stir just until they're nicely toasted and golden brown in color. And now it's time to assemble the whole thing. So in my serving dish, I'm gonna put the beef and tomato sauce as a first layer. Then I'm gonna top it with some of the baked eggplants. And finally, I'm gonna pour all of that delicious yogurt sauce. I'm also gonna put my toasted pita bread around the sides of the plate. I didn't put them at the bottom so that they stay crunchy. Sprinkle the almonds on top and garnish with some freshly chopped parsley. And our fatteh, or eggplant and beef fatteh, is ready to be served. It was really yummy and delicious. Also, it was super easy to make. It has few steps, but they were easy. Also, I didn't deep fry anything, so we can call it a healthy fatteh. Give it a try and tell me what you think. So my lovelies, that was it for today's video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and I'm gonna see you soon in another video. Bye!